welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. In May 2020, Netflix launched the rather predicted comedy series Space Force, created through The Office, Greg Daniels and Steve Carell, and stimulated through President Trump's Space Force initiative. The display follows the chaos that ensures while General Mark R. Nayard, Steve, uproots his existence and actions to Colorado to run the U.S. Armed Forces' most recently branch. Despite receiving various opinions from TV critics, the streaming giant gave the display the inexperienced mild for the second season. We tried to pressure down the display's budget. The display will circulate its filming place from Los Angeles to Vancouver, per The Hollywood Reporter. It is simply one of the many adjustments which can be in save while Season 2 of Space Force hits Netflix someday the subsequent year. When is all the Space Force Season 2 releasing on Netflix? While all 10 episodes of Space Force Season 1 were released at the streaming provider on May 29, 2020, it is now no longer but clean if Season 2 may be prepared through subsequent spring, especially given the unpredictability of the coronavirus pandemic. At the moment, Netflix has now no longer shared a fixed most advantageous date. Of course, we can make sure to replace this as soon as possible and as soon as we get any more updates. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The cast adjustments were also not announced. For the time being, we will anticipate that the subsequent actors will reprise their roles in Season 2. Steve Carell as General Mark R. Nayard, John Malkovich as Dr. Adrian Mallory, Ben Schwartz as F. Tony, Diana Silvers as Erin Nayard, Tawny Newsome as Angela Ali, Jimmy Yang as Dr. Shan Kai-Fang, Alex Sparrow as Yuri Teletovich, Don Lake as Brad Gregory, Noah Emmerich as General Craig Grabaston, Jessica St. Clair as Kelly King, Lisa Kudrow as Maggie Nayard. Sadly, actor Fred Willard, to perform Mark's father, Fred Nayard, in Season 1 of Space Force died at an age of 86, earlier than the display was made debut on Netflix. Specifics approximately what General Nayard and his group will accomplish in Season 2 stay up with Inside the Air. That said, the display will nearly really cope with converting political climate for the reason that President go with Joe Biden may be sworn as in the workplace of January 20. As writers grapple with writing around brand arrangement in 2021 and that what might imply the Space Force future, Parks and Recreation screenwriter Norm Hicksook is coming abroad as a part of an innovative revamp. THR sources verify that Norm is being added on in hopes that The Office, the Space Force will develop and higher connect to the visitors in Season 2 and beyond. What's more, actor Jimmy O Yang is becoming a member of the display's writing group for Netflix Season 2. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and for Netflix movies, web series, reviews, updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends to stay updated. Please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.